Okay, before we go to the documentation, I want to show you last feature of the Copilot, and that's gonna be refactoring tool. So it's really nice to have knowledge of, or maybe understanding of different services that are existing already in the project, which are maybe written some time ago or maybe by someone else. So with that, we have another option. So I'm currently in the legacy package. So as I mentioned, I provided some legacy code just to test purpose or showcase. But as we can see in GitHub CoPilot, we have different options here as well. We can explain this. So let's see what we got from here. So he says that is a class designed to send notification through various channels such as email, SMS, and post mail. And that's exactly what he does. So what is nice, he also understood the concept of the all those dependencies, and he also understood like the main business logic that is being written here. So what we can do now, we can also say, let's simplify this. So he simplified the code. He didn't make any noticeable changes, to be honest with you. He said remove java.comment. Okay, we don't have, where do we have that comment? We have that here, upper. Replace conditional checks with switch statements. That's really good improvement. And added public modifier to the method because it's not accessible outside the package. That's the package scoped visibility in Java. So that's good. Let's use it. Let's focus on further refactoring. Use common standard interface for each dependency, because as we can see, we are adding every dependency separately, and it's every has one operation, which is send SMS or send mail. And I want to make sure that it's gonna be more accessible through the polymorphism, and we're gonna move that separation or like responsibility of each service in one interface for each dependency, and add common send method instead of send mail, send SMS, send post. And let's see what we got now. Great. Okay, so let's implement it very fast. So I'm gonna add the sender interface. Then for each operation, I'm currently in mail, so let's use that. Okay, then he implements the sender. And then let's go through the SMS. And then let's go to the letter.